What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. Yes, people, the weekend is here. I know you ready. I got a free watch face for you all to check out by my man Glance. He is in the building. This guy is truly raising the bar, right? You got to go download this one. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And he has another one that's also off the charts. And I did a review on that one. I will leave a link in the description where you guys can check out the video and check out the second free watch face that you got to download. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick off this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Glance Zirc, a very nice looking analog watch face in the always on mode. For the Gear 3, you're gonna pretty much get the same look as if the watch face is on. For the Gear 2, it's gonna look slightly different, but it's gonna give you that analog look and it's gonna look really nice. Now, when the watch face is on, again, you're greeted with an analog look. It looks really nice. You got the lumen color going around the index, and I thought he did a great job, an awesome job with this one, right? Now, you got a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch, and you do get the best of both worlds because you get your digital time right there as well. Now, at the top right here, you're going to get heart rate information. Up under that, you're going to get your steps. Then you come down a little bit more, you're going to get the day and your date, and you also get information on calories burned and also miles walked or ran, which is nice. Now, if I want to, I can check out my step status info. It's right here. That's for your goal completed. If you set a goal, so far as your steps are concerned, that's that information there. But if I double tap, I can change the theme. Look at this watch face a little bit. I thought that was off the charts. Very nice. You get 2 in all, really 3 so far as the look is concerned. So listen, people, I got to give him 2 thumbs up in the door for this one. I thought he did an excellent job. Now, also, check this out, right? I'm going to tap right here and I can get my weather. Very nice, right? But if I double tap right here, I can change the color theme of this side of the watch face, which I thought was really nice. It gives you quite a few to choose from. Again, you gotta download this watch face. This one is really nice. And if I double tap on the time, if I can do it correctly, I can bring up a shortcut. Listen, my man got down on this one. Continue to do your thing, Glance. Again, thank you for the donation, my friend. The watch face is looking beautiful. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. Continue to enjoy your weekend. Party like it's 1999. Enjoy family and friends. But most of all, people, be safe. And again, I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.